Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am going to show you what I got at the library. They had their book sale last week and my sweet husband took me and I found some books for really reasonable price. And I've also got some magazines and things that I had gotten a couple of weeks ago for free. The first find is this old yearbook. It's 1960. And I actually found a person that I know in here, which I thought was fun. But I just thought this was fun and be used in retro journals. And because of the books I got, this was free. So I'm sure I can use that. Find somewhere to put them as I move them around. I found this one called the library book, and I got it because I liked the cover. And the pages are kind of neat as well. And it's about a fire that happened in the Los Angeles library, I think back in the 90s if I'm not mistaken. And then I found this Garden Through the Ages, which I thought was a fun find. It's got lots of illustrated pictures, which I thought was very cool because I think that is beautiful. I'm going to flip this way just because it's easier for me. But they have real pictures and illustrated pictures, and that's beautiful. I love coming across things like this because I don't find things like this very often, especially with the illustrated pages. I've really been wanting the Diary of an Edwardian Lady. I haven't found one that's been reasonably priced yet, or that I'm willing to spend. It's been like in the 20s. But this is, I think, a beautiful book, and I love it. Okay. Another one I found, which I thought was cool, is this International Library of Music. And it's just got all kinds of music pages in it, and I thought that would be wonderful. Like the illustrations as well. And the last book I bought, all of these books were only ended up being $9. The the yearbook, it had $5 on it, but it was on a dollar table. So, but this one is Gershwin, and it's just got lots of old pictures of the old stars, and you know, just lots of cool things like that I think will be fun to use. I mean, really, I love all of this. Fred Astaire. I love Fred Astaire. I think this is a wonderful, wonderful find. I just love it. Okay. Now for my freebies. They have some tables at the library that you can just go up there and get things. I haven't even looked at these, but they had all of these postcards, which I thought was kind of cool. Looks like most of them are like Grand Canyon or Utah. Just different places, but I just thought that was neat. And we've got, this was free, it's a French book. We're always needing foreign pages and things like that. And then I've got all of these magazines for collaging that I thought was nice. I can't wait to start going through some of these. Maybe one or two I've used in one of my latest collages, but most of them I haven't even flipped through yet. But it's got lots of yeah, because this book, that's the one I did my bird collage out of. It's the Memphis magazine. But it's just got lots of cool images of people and things. That'll be fun. Sierra. Lots of wildlife type things. National Park, which I thought was fun. Got a couple of people. Country living. All kinds. And this is 1988. I was married 1 year at this time. Brings back memories. And National Wildlife. That'll make a cool background in my glue book. Very relaxing. Another Nature Conservancy. Turtle. And we've got Good Housekeeping. 2007. Don't tell them what kind of images you find. Cooking. Whether I'll use this for my channel, my other channel, or collaging. We'll have to see. I'll have to see what the recipes are. Quilts and more. I love the dogs. We have got Martha Stewart living, and it is October 2000. It's a fall. I like that. That'll be a fun collage, and I love those. I always like watches. We've got the Audubon. I love that. He has an interesting face as well. And we've got this. That looks like it's a surreal collage, but I think that's cool. Oh, look at that owl. I love birds. Got some good background pictures here too. Smithsonian. Lots of interesting images. Horticulture, get ready for spring. Succulents. That's pretty. Oh, that's a cool garden. Could really do a scene with that, I think. Okay. This was just an Alaskan review. I think I got it because of the eagle. My husband loves eagles. That's his favorite. Eagles and hawks and all of that. Old house interiors. Fancy. That's what I like, the big wraparound porches. My granny had a big front porch on her house. It was just an old house. Didn't even have insulation, but I loved that porch. But when it was wintertime, it was cold in that house. I remember one Christmas, it was like at 0. I think it was like in the 80s. And everybody laughed at my ear muffs until that day. Because down south, you don't see ear muffs. At least back then, you didn't very often. And I found some and I grabbed them, and everybody made fun of them until that day. Then they wanted them. We all fought for position in front of the fireplace. And she had one of those big old fireplaces that go all the way to the floor. Okay, we got Watercolor Artist. I thought this one was fun. You go by your library, you just never know what you'll find. You know, ours has one room that, you know, you got real fairly cheap books that you can buy anytime. And then you've got these tables outside of that room that have, you know, your freebies. There's about 2 or 3 tables. And then you have a room that once a month the Friends of the Library do their sale. And I don't get to hit it very often. Got AARP with Ringo Starr. There's lots of fun things there. Traditional home. Just different images. And Martha Stewart Living again. So I thought that was fun. So I hope you enjoyed my little haul. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.